Hi folks. Okay, there's a couple of other things that I forgot to show you that I'm taking on my Wilson's prom trip. So in this is a little waterproof dry bag. I'm taking my wallet. It's really just got like credit cards and stuff in it. Usually I wouldn't like take all of this stuff, but I don't want to leave it in the car, so I'm taking that with me. I've got my head torch, super exciting. Super helpful. It's a rechargeable one. It's a super cheap one actually. It doesn't have the red light, which is a bit annoying, but it's very lightweight, so I like it. I'm gonna take my e-reader just because I feel like I'm gonna get there quite early and it's so hot that I'm probably just gonna want to sit in the shade and read and not be too physical. So usually I would not take that, but I am. And then I have a little like power pack. This recharges my phone pretty much only once. It is a bit big and I do need to get a new one, and then obviously a charging cord. So that all lives in that little bag. And then I am taking my little fanny pack to wear on the front because my backpack only has like one side pocket, which I don't find is enough. So in here I've just got the case for my sunglasses. I've got a little sunscreen that I can get to easily. I've got a little oat bar as a snack to have right on hand. That's where my car keys are going to be. I'm going to put them in a little Ziploc bag just in case they get wet or damaged. I've got external headphones, Bluetooth headphones, which I'm not going to be listening to music, but I have a few messages from friends I'm going to try to catch up on. A pen, a little tissue packet, even though I do have my handkerchief. What do you call it? Hand sanitizer, super important. I don't have a lot left in this little guy, but I think it'll be enough. Also, just randomly in here, I have a lighter. I don't have my stove, but you just never know when you're going to need one. I have a random rubber band, which I always seem to take, a couple of salt packets, and some chewing gum. So kind of random, quite honestly, but that's what I'm taking. I just want to make sure that you have the full overview.